Jeff. He's starting to get mad because his tail's going. Jeff. No, he's mad. He's had enough. You had enough, cat. You had enough of that.
What happened?
He can't decide whether he's had enough yet. Like, he went to get out.
That's what he did on
He went to get out, then he laid back down.
That's what he did on a chair. I was pounding on it. And he just rolled over like, oh, you're petting me?
Her foot.
He did.
Jeff, what's the matter? You stuck in there?